Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this look that you see right here. It is this very simple look, but I wanted to bring it up a notch and I added these rhinestones on top. So it is this very simple cut crease with rhinestones. So obviously you can do it without the rhinestones if you want to recreate this look. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to prime my eyes with my torch-shaped tape in the shade Deep. I'm going to dab a little bit of that on the eyelid. And then I'm going to just blend that out. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using my Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. It looks like so. I'm going to mix the shades Bread Pudding and Mango Pudding. I'm going to blend that out all over the crease. And I'm also going to focus that a little bit in the inner corner of the crease. I'm going into the shade Warm Cocoa. I'm going to put that in the outer lid and then blend it upwards. I took my Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to take the shade Zulani, which is this shade here in the bottom. And I'm going to use a little bit of that to darken the crease. I'm going to take a clean brush and just blend that out. I'm going to take my torch-shaped tape one more time just to cut my crease. The shade I'm going to put on the lid is Butterscotch. It is this very pretty neutral shimmer shade. I'm going to add some of my rhinestones. They're very tiny on top of my lid. I'm going to finish my face really quickly so I can finish the eyes. I already did my foundation, but I'm going to touch that up a little bit. I used my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Yeah, I'm just gonna touch that up a little bit because I got a little oily. And for concealer, I'm going to be using my torch-shaped tape in the shade Tan Deep Sand. It's a little bit lighter than the ones I used to prime my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend that out. I'm just setting that out with my Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. For contour and blush, I'm going to be using my Cover FX contour palette. It is very well used. I'm going to take this shade right here for contour. And then I'm just going to use this shade in the other side for blush. For a highlight, I'm going to be using this one on top. It is the highlighter shade. I'm just going to put on some lashes now. I'm going back into the shade Fulani. I'm going to use that to darken my waterline. And then I'm going to use the shade I used on my crease just to blend that out. I'm just going to add some highlight in the inner corners just to brighten that a little bit. And then I'm just going to add some mascara. I'm going to do my lips and then I'll be back with the final look. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for video uploads, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.